Welcome back. President Biden's approval rating hovering in the low 40s, and now his grade on the economy is getting cut. Our very own Rick Newman is here with his latest report card. Rick, what can you tell us?
Tracking the Biden economy under the same methodology we implemented to track the Trump economy all the way back in 2017. Biden started out pretty strong. He had a full A grade on the economy. That dropped down to A minus at the beginning of this year. And now he has fallen 2 notches in the latest assessment. So he's down from an A minus to a B plus. Some things are going Biden's way. He gets great marks on employment, and we're comparing him to prior presidents. He's got the best mark on job growth out of the eight most recent presidents, also the highest mark on GDP growth per capita. What's really killing him, though, are 2 things. The stock market turnaround we've been talking about for the last month. This is one of the things we measure, and Biden has gone from the second best stock market performance of the 8 presidents down to the 4th best, and he gets the lowest mark for average hourly earnings. We do measure that against inflation, and I think partly because inflation has been so bad, Biden has the worst number for average hourly earnings. So he's at the top on a couple things. He's at the bottom on one thing, earnings, and he's in the middle on the rest.
Politically devastating for him with the midterms ahead. What can Biden run on, Rick?
Great question. He keeps trying to run on strong job numbers. I mean, we saw them last week. I mean, we do have a very strong job market, but people don't care. And I mean, when inflation is 8.5%, people just don't care that jobs are available. I mean, there's a real mismatch in the data. We're not in a recession, but consumer confidence is recessionary. People are almost more gloomy than they were at the beginning of the COVID pandemic. So we forgot how powerful inflation is and how much this bums people out. So I think the best Biden can hope for is people are not going to believe the great job numbers. They want inflation to go down. And that is, at the moment, that is the most important thing for Biden's presidency.
And Rick, when we talk about the midterms, another challenge here for Democrats is going to be some of that division that we have seen in the party between progressives and those who are more towards the center. I guess, how big of an issue do you potentially see this being in the midterms?
Shauna, great to see you back, by the way.
Thank you, Rex. Good to see you, too.
I'll be sitting there at the desk with you soon. Well, it has characterized the Democratic Party during Biden's entire presidency so far. I mean, Democrats notoriously at this point can't even agree among themselves what kind of legislation they want to pass, which is why they have not passed any of Biden's Build Back Better legislation. So I think the odds that they're going to even get a small version of Build Back Better passed this year are very small. And this is going to work against the Democrats running for re-election in Congress because it does look like they can't get anything done.
All right, Rick Newman, thanks so much.